Hi and welcome to the channel of self-limited shameless shopaholic. As the title says, I am a shopaholic, so we are going to talk shopping here. And today we are talking double Prada unboxing, unbagging. Two items from Prada outlet store, the same store, but from two different occasions. I have these two items from different occasions, from probably nearly a year apart from time I bought them, but I decided to share them together because why not? This is the bag and this is something else. I'm not sure if I should call it an SLG. This is a little toy. No, well, it has officially practical use, but I'm not sure how much I'm going to use it. Anyway, I know that you are probably more desperate to see the bag, so we will start with the bag, but stay for this because that was the deal of my life, I suppose. So if you have been here for a while, a long time ago, I think it might be actually a couple of years ago, I made a video looking for a perfect black bag. And I had some options and you have also had some really nice suggestions. And I have gone for some options, and this is one of the options that I was considering. I was thinking about this bag and eventually I got it because I started to realize that these bags are disappearing from the outlet shops and they are also getting more and more expensive. So while I was there actually last year, I decided to, okay, let's pull the trigger and let's get it, because this is the bag that I will use a lot for sure. And funny enough, I haven't been using it for over a year, but I bought it quickly before my move to this house. So later it kind of was somewhere in the boxes, maybe not completely forgotten, but there was no occasion to make a video, and for some reason I was just keeping it as it came with everything original, a lot of plastic wrapping, to show you how it came. So you might not be surprised that we are having the Prada camera nylon bag in the black nylon with the strap and everything what is included there. The dust bag, I don't know about the shop or like the proper Prada boutiques, but last couple of times I got something from Prada outlet, it got this kind of low quality dust bag, I would say. I mean, this is actually the quality of dust bag that Zara is giving you with their shoes or bags. So yeah, Prada, even for outlet, you could do a little better. But let's hope the dust bag doesn't really tell much about the bag. So this is how it came. It has a lot of plastic and I don't know why I wanted to keep it like this. Yeah, just somehow show you that sometimes the designer bags, especially when they come from outlets, I think, they come with a lot of wrapping. Yeah, I also got some robe bag that was also having a lot of wrapping. So sometimes you get that. Maybe I will just start taking it off while we talking. Sometimes when I looked at the second-hand shops online, I would be questioning why they have so much wrapping, some of the bags, while when you buy them, it's usually unwrapped with all the plastic and the paper is gone. This one I'm not sure if I'm able to. It's like a paper tape. Oh, we see here beautiful shiny gold hardware. I think that's a better hardware than Louis Vuitton has. We know how that goes. It has a metal logo here. I like that it's not this kind of triangle logo. I like that it's like shiny metal. It has a strap, which is this material strap, a thick guitar strap, which makes it more sporty and casual, and that's what I actually want. I usually don't like this kind of straps in for example, Louis Vuitton Alma, because I mean, why? But with this bag I really actually enjoy this strap because that's what I want to use this bag for, like some everyday running to the shop, to grocery shopping, going for a walk, something that, you know, I just don't need to think, just grab it and it's gonna leave downstairs next to like door, my coats and everything, just to grab this bag and go. That was the purpose of it, and finally, after a long time, I will be able to fulfill that purpose. And inside the bag, it's a lot of paper. This is a bag which 99% is only made for outlets. However, I know about it and I bought it expecting that it's not a bag that went to the boutique ever. But I really enjoy those bags, and I think for the purpose that I want this bag, it's just amazing. Let's look at details. That it has Saffiano leather trim here, like this piping all over. It's Saffiano leather. It has Saffiano leather here on this strap. It's also here with Saffiano leather, and even here next to the zipper. So it is really well made, and inside we have the typical Prada lining, which I really like actually. Sadly, there is not so many bags from Prada that I like to buy from the boutique, but I really enjoy the details that Prada has and the lining, because as I probably complained before, Louis Vuitton very often the lining is not impressive, and Gucci they really should upgrade their lining, because it looks like some kind of, you know, potato bag really. You know, I grew up on a village and I've seen how people, you know, pack potatoes to sell them in, you know, the farmers. So it really looks like a, you know, material that's potato bag. Anyway, it doesn't have a pocket, like doesn't have pocket on at the front of the bag. It only has a zip pocket at the back of the bag. Of course, we have some, you know, papers there. Even that zipper pull has Saffiano leather bit, and it has a plaque Prada Milan, and it should have something where it was made, and I am 100% sure it's not made in Italy, because the outlet bags are not made in Italy. That's my own observation. It has actually, here there is a little tag, and it's actually folded away from your eyes, and when you flip it you actually see it is made in Turkey. I was aware of that this bag will not be made in Italy, and this is an outlet item. But I am really happy with it, and I can't wait to actually use it. And I have to find an occasion actually to get out of the house. Maybe the grocery shopping has to be done tomorrow. And this is how it sits. This is rather short setting, but I actually quite enjoy some of the bags. They just sit like this. And I learned to actually enjoy that they are that high on me. Of course, it can be extended with that strap. So that's the item number 1. And now let's move to the item number 2. So this little Prada shopping bag has a box, which actually it's a little deceiving, because it's not a Prada item, it's actually Miu Miu item, and it came packaged like this. I always ask for original box or a box even in an outlet store, and I really kind of don't understand, or I don't agree with that they think that if it's an outlet you don't have to get a box and you just throw it back into this shopping bag and just off you go. It's still a luxury store, even if it's an outlet, and I think you deserve a similar experience. Okay, maybe you don't need to get a champagne, but the packaging should be the same. But yeah, that's me and my princess inside me, which deserves princess treatment everywhere, every time. Like, actually life would give me that kind of princess treatment. But anyway, here we have the Miu Miu box, and honestly I don't have many items from Miu Miu, but I have sunglasses. And I have, this is my second item from Miu Miu, and their packaging is upside down. It's so, is it? Yeah, this is the right way. And it's so beautiful. And this is something that is really kind of funny. But when I saw this, I've heard the price of it, I just could not pass by. And of course it was the last one, and I believe actually it was the last one. Sometimes I lie, but no, actually I think in outlets they often just tell me like, yeah, we have 3 or 5 or something like that. Sometimes I want to go around and, you know, think about an item, or sometimes I just don't want to buy it because I just, you know, walk into the shops and I just want to basically be hands-free for a little bit more. Of course there are these services that you can leave your luggage, but anyway, you know what I mean. Sometimes I just don't want to carry it and deal with it, so I just ask if you have more, then I can come back later. Okay, so let's open this beautiful little thing, and here we have little crystal thing, and that little crystal thing is an AirPod holder. So it has this clips and the ring to attach this to your belt loop or whatever, but of course I'm going to use it as a back charm. And yes, my AirPods actually fit in this if I take them out of the case. Actually no, they fit in the case, but the case has a little plastic thing to attach some, you know, strap or something, and that kind of bothers. But if I actually want to use it for my AirPods, they fit like a glove, so probably it was for this model. And of course has crystals, has beautiful gold crystals. It's shiny, and inside it is made of Napa leather, gold Napa leather, which kind of really delicate material for AirPod case, but well, it is what it is. And what is the biggest bonus of this thing? Look at this. It comes with a chain which you can attach to those things. And look at this chain. It's just so beautiful. So this is the place where you attach this. It doesn't open. It's like you cannot open that chain. It's just like this. It has Miu Miu here, and it has crystals on that chain. So you are supposed to wear it like that and clip it to this clasp, is it called? You know. So you are supposed to wear it like this, and actually it's not a bad necklace when I look at it from this position. It kind of could work as some kind of fun thing to wear. So it actually would work even as a necklace. I don't know if I'm crazy and too excited about it, but actually it could work like this. But what I was immediately thinking when I, saw that this comes with this chain, of course, this chain can be used as just a necklace. Like, what a extra freebie with this purchase. So I was actually thinking, for the price of it, it's enough for that necklace. So actually I'm happy even to use this as a necklace. I don't need to have a use for that. So the price, believe it or not, when I was browsing into those boutiques, I had no intention to buy anything at the time. Maybe if there were some super cheap sneakers, then maybe I would go for it. Had no intention on bags or any other accessories. Then I saw that, and of course, the magpie in me show me that, I want to see it. So I was looking at this and, just ask for the price, because you actually have to ask about something or price, pretend that you are interested, that you want to buy it, not that you are just looking. And she told me that it's 250 euro or 250 something euro for this. And then they had extra 20% off. So I paid for this, I think, exactly 201 euro or something like that after that discount. When I heard that, it was just, wrap it for me, please. I'm taking it, it's mine, and I'm not leaving the store without this. You cannot disagree with me that buying this for 200 euro, and I also got tax-free, by the way. So I got extra, like, how much? 12% of that. So it was like 180 something euro. There was no, I would have to be really silly to not jump on it and take it with me. And this chain, I think this is like just really, really freebie, that it's just amazing. I usually don't go for jewelry that is like a costume jewelry from designer brands, because it's crazy expensive. But in this case, I can make an exception, and definitely it will be a statement piece. Show you a little close-up. It's a really attention to detail. It has Miu Miu on this ring here. The crystals are on both sides, and then there is leather around here. That leather feels like material, like, I don't know, not satin, but it doesn't feel like leather. I mean, it's so soft. And inside, and it has this little thing to keep shape of it. It has Miu Miu made in Italy inside here. I don't know if you can see it. And of course it has the chain. It can be even the necklace holder. Actually, you could use it also as some sort of jewelry travel case. That could also work. You can actually clip it inside your bag, and it gives a little bit extra security. Of course, here are the little holes, but usually I can put jewelry in some kind of pouches already, so it doesn't scratch one piece, doesn't scratch the other. Actually, on that day I was wearing this bag, and we tried to clip it to this bag, and look at this. It's just beautiful and so shiny, and yeah, I love it. Bonus point that it actually doesn't have a big logo on it, so it doesn't clash, because some people don't like to wear mixed brands. I am kind of in the middle. In some cases I don't mind, but sometimes it just doesn't go together. But bonus point, it doesn't have big branding, so it will look good with any bag, and it looks definitely beautiful with a black bag like this. So that will be all for this video. So how do you like these two little cuties that I got? Thank you for watching, thank you for staying with me. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys.